gold futures. In this video, we're going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We remain in positive MACD. We're off of overbought levels with the RSI. With the 4 hour chart, we remain in positive MACD, off of overbought condition with the RSI. We're still resting right along the 18 moving average, this purple line at a price of $1,915.60. As with the daily chart, we remain in positive MACD and at overbought condition with the RSI. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading GLD. My trade position size for is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $174.94, and that is this range here. My sell target for it is at $180.67. My stop loss is at $172.60. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $181.64. My sell target is at $177.32, and my stop loss is at $184.07. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or wicket trading, gold futures has a 57% chance to climb between 0 to 2%, a 14% chance to climb between 2 to 4%, and to the downside has a 29% chance to fall between 0 to negative 2%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.